This is a wider scale view of the new front of the Southeastern High School. Construction activities continue to remain in gear here, but according to Principal Todd Fox, all of the main construction is expected to be completed so that students, especially for the main floor, 2 floors of the operation, will now be able to be moved into by May 15th. The administrative portion, which we're now looking at, is expected to be completed on the interior probably in early June, with the scheduled contract completion date being June 30th, 2008. Oh. And this is the skylights to what will be the new library. That's quite good.
Yep, it's nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, it definitely will be. No question about it.